In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Wise is an incredible platform that makes it easy to send and receive money internationally with low fees. A feature you might find very useful is the ability to request money from others. So, whether you're splitting a bill with friends, asking for contributions toward a group gift, or just needing to collect a payment, I'm here to guide you through the steps. First off, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Wise account. So grab your phone or sit down at your computer. Go to the Wise website and enter your login credentials, your email and password. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard where you can see your account balance and recent transactions. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on Home. Generally, you will find this option on the side menu or the top navigation bar. This is like your home base on Wise, where you can easily access all the main features. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to locate and click on your profile icon. This icon usually appears in the corner or on the top right side of the page. Your profile icon is important because it takes you to your personal settings, and from there, you can manage various activities related to your account. After clicking on the profile icon, you will want to look for something that might say @handle or your specific username. This is your unique identification on Wise, making it easier for others to find you when they need to send money or for you to request money. Once you click on your username, you'll see it redirect you to a specific link that starts with wise.com/pay/me/ followed by your unique handle. It's an easy way to share your Wise profile with others so they can send you money easily. Go ahead and click on that link. It should pull up your payment request page. Now, here's where the magic happens. On this page, you should see a button or option that says Request. Click on that. This will allow you to enter the amount of money that you're requesting. It's always a good practice to add a note or description if you like, so the person you're requesting money from knows what it's for. Once you have filled in the necessary details, confirm the request. Depending on how Wise is set up on your device, you might have to follow some quick prompts or confirmations. And there you have it. You've successfully requested money through Wise. You can now send your request link to anyone from whom you need to collect money. They can follow the link, and with just a few clicks, they can fulfill your request. To wrap up, using Wise to request money is a straightforward process, and it's designed to make life easier. It's efficient, quick, and allows for seamless transactions across borders. Remember to check back often for updates or changes in features on the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!